Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire Countertop ice maker fan not working, clean, test and replace. Fix 1. Hard reset the electronics. You just have to unplug the ice maker from the electrical outlet. Leave it disconnect for 15 to 20 minutes to clear internal memory. Plug the ice maker back in, fill the reservoir with fresh water. Restart a new ice making cycle using the control panel. Fix 2. Check for mechanical jams. You just have to turn off and unplug the machine. Locate the fan typically found near the condenser at the back or side of the unit. Visually inspect the fan for any obstruction. Gently push the fan blades with a pencil or finger to check for freeze paint. Remove any obstruction if the fan feels stuck or restricted. Fix 3. Clear airflow and vents. You just have to place the ice maker in well ventilated area. Ensure at least 6 inch of clearness around all sides and walls. Regularly vacuum dust, lint or debris from the exterior fan, grate and vents. Fix 4. Test for power. You just have to unplug the unit and remove the backside housing using Phillips head screws. Locate the fan connection to the circuit board. You just have to turn on the machine and wait for the compressor to start. Use a multimeter to test for 12V DC at a fan's connection terminal. If the multimeter reads 12V but the fan does not operate, the fan motor is faulty or required to replacement. Thanks for watching.